Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the Filmora host file. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the sample steps. So basically, if you are talking about the hosts of the Windows system where you will be able to change the host names or to delete some host records, you can simply do that from by going to your Explorer and simply I'm just going to add a new one, and basically you will be needed to go to the system files. So you will need just to go to your local disk and Windows, and basically you want to go to system files, and you will need just to search for them, and you will have your system 30 here, and from there you will be needing just to change or to search for the host. Or the easiest thing to do is to simply go to the Windows file or the system and then just simply search for a host in the search. So let's just search again, and from here you will add host, and basically you will be needing just to choose or to search for the host file. And as you can see, you will find many host files, and basically we have it here in the system 32. So as you can see, you can simply go to the notepad, and from here you will find all the hosts, and from here you can start finding all the hosts that you have on your files or on your system, and basically you will have Filmora included there. And as you can see, it is located in the Windows system 32 drivers. So we can simply go to that. So we go to system, and we are there, and we will search for drivers, and from here you will find the host. So simply just search for the host file, and you will find it somewhere here. So you can simply do the same for this one, and it will give you the hosts file. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.